Good morning, guys, from Cebu. And it's already January 5 na, and slowly but surely we're getting back. Ano ba? The electricity is back in many places, but there's still a lot of people, sleep in the darkness. But slowly but surely, padayon man ang pag-ayo sa mga poste, the Beco, people and linemen from Davao, from Cotabato, from other places, and of course mga taga Beco are really working hard 24/7 to restore the power. So even here in these places, kita mo ganina sa Capitol na traffic light, but it's other places like this street, this Escario, wa pa say traffic light. So mano-mano pa ang pagman sa traffic even there in Gorordo. So kuan lang gihapon, naghapoy place even at the middle of the city, by the heart of the city, na nawa pa na restore ang power, ang electricity. So that's so in a way that's challenging, but manang uban, especially katong mga what you call it, mga freelancers naglisod sa gyud kayo, or ones working online. Kita lisod sa mangitag trabahoan ba na maka-standby sila, where they can do work with internet, good internet then, and of course power. So although some cafes are now opening, pero kung saan puno-puno sa usahay, maglisod ka pangitag sockets. So na maka-vlog. But yes, we are kikita naman mo na traffic is back, and then you can see also the people are on the streets na. Ayun, wala na ang mga lines sa gasoline station. So this is how it looks like na there is this is Escario Street on January 5, 2021. So how are you guys doing na? It's New Year. I'm pretty sure ligaw yung New Year kung wala mo dali sa Cebu, pero the threat of Omicron also is looming. So we don't know what will happen in the next few days, kay sa Pilipinas nagdaghan na sad gyud ang kaso, especially there in the NCR. Hopefully din na mulabang din, but eventually gina maingon ko na wala pang Argentina, dili Cebu na sad another surge is coming. So bantay-bantay lang gyud sad ta, di ta magkumpiyansa. Mask up. Katubi na katong mga kuansat kanang gikan sa Manila na mo biyahe pa dong diri sa Cebu. Daghan ba yan ana. Hopefully di mo magdag Omicron diri taon. Bitaw, Omicron guna. Before Odette, I think the Philippines na lang triple digit na lang ang cases. I think 100 ka pinra. Then mga end of December, nagsugod na to, nag 1,000 and 2,000 the next day. Then 4,000, then 5,000 pag wala. So it's yan. Scary. Mana. So di lang kita magkumpiyansa na, but na cases are rising, especially is Manila, because may tubig pag yun na nag-agas. Because one of the culprits kunuhay they call the Poblacion girl, the one who escaped quarantine, supposed to be naka-check-in siya sa hotel for quarantine, then nigawas to party sa kuyawa sa nanang mga nigawas to party, then after nag-positive to yung mga ka-party hasta siya. So that's na marabag sometimes lagi mana hassle lagi ng quarantine sa tinuod lang ya hassle na minakato sa mga OFWs nato gikan sa abroad hassle sa tinuod pero that's part of the kuha naman lang na to prevent the spread. By the way, mo na ning lao sa Lahug, medyo na clear na ang mga daan, nagya pa mga kahoy na nang hiwi of course. Pero to prevent the spread ba na we shouldn't take it for granted na ay lang mo kuan, supak mo ba mo buot ay no gina kung himuan jud paagi iting daagi na mga makalusot na maka-eskapo, makapuslit or mamakak. They just say they're checked in and gone and then they mo adto ay mga ngana ba na that's so kuan. Yeah, tinuod man additional expense na, additional gasto. Tinuod yun na lisod dili na kuan lalim, but we're living in a different time na there's a threat of Omicron and there's a threat na kumukatag ni sus mayabo na sad ta naglison na gyud ta in a way I mean the economy, the health wise strain get ang mga hospital sana and the economy kanang mag-lockdown na sad. So maguba tanan na that we have been praying for the recovery, the the back to normal prayer na to na mabalik na to sa normal. It's gonna be it will go to waste if masud na sa Omicron and then it will have maghasik siya lagim na it will affect thousands of Filipinos. And then bisan nga galing mo yung it will have 100,000 new cases in time nga na kung but the lockdown will affect all of us, the 100 billion of us, because diba labi na ron katawanan kay election season ron saon na lang mga silang kinsa na hindi na mo pwede magsuri-suroy labi na mga rin mga national candidates ko na hindi na to kumpiyansahan ng mga nadiisad mo. Because yes, you might like to campaign, look for votes, but you might be bringing somehow doom to one. So, I mean, it's gonna be a lot of adjustments. So I know hadlock mo restrict ang gobyerno sa travel, but kung dili stricto ang mga requirements for travel once again. Dali na kita malutsan og Omicron will just could easily come to to places na especially kanang luoy na places maka nagkuwang mga hospital so that would be that would be a great tragedy lang ba. And so far, most of the cases are in Luzon, but in CR. But we don't know sa gihapon because I don't know if there's enough testing sa drone there is especially the Odette affected areas, di ba? Least of the worries pa ng COVID pero lagi na mga reader let's say mag-relief effort kuno hay and then nagdadig Omicron now kuyaw kayo so we have to be worried also lisod we don't know how to happen. It's gonna be the problem for our leaders na lang. I can't say unsaon na nila but yeah, it's their job. On our personal wala lang, in our personal end, we can do our part sa, di ba, sa ato as individuals. But really, kuan, be, you know, kana, sunod ka sa protocols, kung quarantine yun, wear masks, as much as possible, dili maglaglag, di magtapok-tapok, di magparty-party, baka lang, precautions lang yun, na dili ka kumpiyansa. Diba? We somehow kahit paano we made a lot of progress before. Then we have to continue, the gains that we had the last couple of months, diba? So mo na challenge siya na, but inanglan nga na taka ingana taka kuan gyapon ka diligent in following those minimum health standards. So mo to traffic yun din sa IT park, but yan na pa sunod na traffic light because I don't know if nag-work naman yung traffic light there is unahan, but most likely wa pa. Pero mana, yes, the threat is there. Omicron is coming, and hopefully, mana, dili gina mo grabe, maroon gina to wish and prayer. Pero dapat dili kita magkumpiyansa lang sad. So money, this is how Salinas Drive looks like. For kuan. So far sa Cebu sad grabe sad kusog gyapon kay ang vaccination drive, of course. And especially sa mga bata mga minors like 12 to 17-year-olds. Grabe ang linya sa Robinson Cybergate. Grabe, they vaccinate like around 1,000 or more a day. So, kuan kayo. Sakto sana. Although I don't know kuan kung say factor ani nga no mga nangasan oktini na second dose, but it's a good thing na padayon ta magpa-vaccinate na yung mga vaccines, padayon nanto kung nag-heroes kaya po ni mga vaccinators na padayon na magkuan ba nagkuan sa ila nag-vaccine gyapon sa mga tao bisan nanguban nagkuban og mga bahay na kuan padayon na sila even during kuan Christmas season nag-vaccine sila and we salute those people. And then mauna kung kuan we encourage everyone to get vaccinated na, get your job, and ang uban na kinahanglan pwede na pa-booster na mo. It's a kuan. It's for your wala ba peace of mind. Booster ta before kining atong kontra moabot si Omicron moabot. So nanay pa nang nanay mga laing mga ni-mutate na sa ni subtle na Delta, Omicron, So listen, kuyaw kaayo, but the only thing we can do also if upon a vaccinate is vaccinate aside from following the minimum health standards, keeping ourselves healthy, making ourselves strong, mga vitamins nato. Palayon na dapat ganay katong kuan. Encourage everyone to get vaccinated as much as possible, especially kung ang ilarang rason was na nagpa-vaccinate because because mahadlok sila mga zombie, especially kana na rason dapat i-convince ka na magpa-vaccine na. I know na yung iban dili magpa-vaccine lagi because they have their own reasons sa health, especially lamang namin na katong mga suffer allergies sabot yung dana, pero those people na kuan ra wa ray problema, wa mga allergies niya tungod ra sa Facebook na mga kuan lang na mahimong zombie ang mga kuan, then yeah, get your job now. So mana, we're here in Banilad. By the way, kaning lugaran na ni kuryente, one of the fortunate ones to have kuryente na. So kuan, mana na ni kuryente ris manukan gayo. So mana, we kuan, we hope to see you na sa pohon, and this you know, thank you so much for watching. Continue supporting our drives and our food trips and our features. So usahay mo balik na tag kuan, post na sad soon, may backlogs. So it might be, I don't know what happens sa mga itong mga lugar, but hopefully the mga previous videos that I took before Odette, I'll be uploading it soon. So please keep on watching and supporting, and thank you so much for all your support. So see you na sa atong mga videos. Bye bye bye.